Hey guys, it's Jess and I'm excited to share a new tutorial for you today for the Hedgehog Hollow. Today I'm going to be making a clean and simple Christmas card that's super duper easy. So I'm using the new stamp set from the November 2019 subscription box from the Hedgehog Hollow. I started out by using my mini MISTI and the Christmas tree stamp. These stamps are super whimsical and fun and I figured it would make a super cute little Christmas card. So I stamped one of the Christmas tree images in the center, and then I'm stamping an additional Christmas tree on each side so that I have a total of 3 Christmas trees. It works really well to stamp in odd numbers in a situation like this, and it helps to bring sort of balance to the card. So I really like to do that. I think 3 is a really good number, especially for when you're creating a card like this. You'll always want to judge the size of your stamp though to see what fits best for your card and your layout. So I decided I was going to do some alcohol marker coloring. These are the new Classique markers from Spectrum Noir. This is the replacement for the original coloring system marker, and the ink formula is new and improved. The colors are absolutely gorgeous and they blend like a dream. This is actually the first time that I tried them out and I had really good results, so I'm definitely going to be using these a ton more in upcoming videos. So the way that I do my coloring here is that I start with my lightest color. I go in with my medium color and then follow it up with the darkest of those colors. Then I work my way backwards. So I go in with my medium color again and blend over the lines that I had already blended. Then I go back in with my lightest color and do the same thing. I just go right back over those lines and color in the remaining area. I found that these colors blended super well together, and I'll have the color names and numbers on the screen for you here in case you like any of the color combinations that I'm using. While I'm doing the coloring, I am going to go ahead and turn on some music, and I'll be right back with you after the coloring is done. Alright, now that my coloring is completely done, I decided to add a little bit of excitement to my card by adding some black splatters to the background. To do that, I just used some black marble Dylusions ink spray, and I took the lid right off, tapped the lid or the nozzle part while it was over my project, and it does perfect splatters every time. I really like how simple and easy it is, and you don't need any special tools, which is awesome. I decided to go ahead and do a simple sentiment heat embossed on black cardstock, and I chose the Happy Christmas sentiment from the October box, and I went ahead and melted that with my heat tool. I attached my card panel to a white A2 size card base, and then I went ahead and popped up my little sentiment strip on a few pieces of foam just to add a little bit of dimension and interest to my card, and literally, you guys, that finishes off the card. This is a super simple card, easy to mass produce, something that you could definitely make a bunch of for your Christmas cards, and I hope you guys love it. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you guys again really soon in another video.